Bulletproof is an agency creating desire through disruption.
We're a brand agency first and foremost, but people come to us for our ideas, our relationships. We've been an agency and a group of people that grew up in the sort of 80s and 90s. There's a love of art, a love of hip-hop culture. There's a love of not complying to what establishment tells you to do. Don't ask permission, ask forgiveness. The culture of Bulletproof is all about the people.
Originally, it was about 6 or 7 of us in a small office in Covent Garden.
And then we started winning clients. When you land clients like Coca-Cola, you sort of realise quite quickly that you can't do global campaigns with this boutique agency. You needed to be able to expand. New York, London, Amsterdam,
Melbourne, Sydney, Dubai,
Shanghai, Singapore. It's quite mad.
In the initial days, we had on-site server storage.
So you had these little pockets of information, the proliferation of files that you're working to. Well, which is the newest file? What are we doing? Box coming in, disbanded all of that. We needed to have a partner that could go with us from day one and actually be as expansive and ambitious as we wanted to be as an agency.
Now we can just go anywhere, set up and instantly access Box.
It enables us to work as a true network. Yeah, it's a game changer.
The main departments that use Box are the creative teams. They use a lot of Box Drive for uploading and sharing files globally. With the use of Box Hubs, it's streamlined and sped up processes. We now have 1.2 petabytes of data in Box. But within the hub, everything's current.
It's encapsulating it, it's putting it all together.
Box's AI is great. You can create AI agents and you don't have to trawl through all the information within the hub. I'm working on a Copilot hub MCP connection that will allow the users to just ask any question they wanted. The Copilot agent then talks to Box, references any information required out of the hubs. So it's all updated, it's all current. A single source of truth is there within Box.
AI is a big thing for us. It touches everything that we're doing. If you're a creative, being able to know that you can produce work that you couldn't have done 5 or 10 years ago, that's intoxicating.
Box Sign revolutionised the way we work in terms of NDAs, contract and other legal documentation. So now we've got a single repository. So the legal team, the creative services team now can get the third party to sign the document, we can process it, authorise it, and we can file it neatly and know where the files are. With Box and its accreditations and awards for our clients especially, they're safe in the knowledge that their files are stored safely within the cloud. We're evolving at such a pace and growing. Box grows with us.
There's so much more untapped territory. As long as Box keeps moving forwards, we will keep moving forwards with them. The world's our oyster as far as how far we go. Box have been hugely collaborative in the way that we want to work. That sort of open space where people can collaborate. It's where the magic happens. I think that answers your question.